Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Soundcore R100 one earphone is not pairing. So, if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So, if one of your Soundcore R100 here is not pairing, don't worry, there's a few things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So, in this case, the first that you want to do here is you want to open the charging case and take both your earphones out and just set them down on any flat surface out there. So maybe your table. Then you want to close the actual case and you just want to leave this overnight or just a few hours. Now in this case, you just leave this or leave them connected, remove your earphones out there and the charging case itself, or basically just disconnect them from each other. So in this case, when you wake up or when you come back to it, like after a few hours, you want to grab the earphones and put them back inside the charging case and let them sit out for a couple of hours. Now after that, pop them back in the case and see if they now connect. Now that's what's probably happening here is your earphones here are probably unsynced. So maybe by basically draining the power on both the earphones here can actually reset them. So in this case, once you've done that, you should be able to start using it again. But yeah, so that's a simple solution you can try here to probably solve this issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.